obsessive compulsive disorder. What is the obsessive compulsive disorder? Obsessive compulsive disorders. What is the obsessive compulsive disorders? The obsessive compulsive disorders OCD is characterized by obsessive thoughts and obsessive behavior. There is obsessive thoughts and obsessive behavior. The behavior become obsessive behavior and obsessive thoughts. This obsessive compulsive disorders impairs everyday functioning. In the obsessive compulsive disorders, fear of contamination and germs are common, as are washing. There is repetitive washing of hands. The patient washing his hands repetitively because of the fear of contamination. There is repetitive washing of hands because of the fear of the contamination. The patient counting each times. There is counting behavior. The patient may count his money or other things repeatedly. There is counting behavior. The checking and rechecking of the door for weather. Sometimes the door is locked to avoid the weather effects. The patient recheck every time the door because of the weather problem. There is rechecking. In the obsessive compulsive disorder, there is obsessive thoughts, behavior, repeatedly washing and counting each times, rechecking each time, rechecking each time, and hand washing each time the patient watch the time to avoid the late. Hand washing each time. There is watching, checking and washing repeatedly. These activities of the obsessive compulsive disorders takes up greater than 1 hour in a day. The patient spends greater than 1 hour each day. The patient spend the time. They spend the time because of fear to avoid the mistakes. There may be depression. In the obsessive compulsive disorder are present 2 to 3% worldwide. 2 to 3% worldwide. The obsessive compulsive disorder are present 2 to 3% worldwide. What is the etiology and pathophysiology of the obsessive compulsive disorder? A genetic contribution of obsessive compulsive disorders is suggested that in twin study, but there is no susceptibility genes for obsessive compulsive disorders have been identified. There is no obsessive compulsive disorder genes identified, no, but they are identified in the twins. The obsessive compulsive disorders sometimes associated and are present in the patient of Tourette's disorders. They are also present in the Tourette's syndrome or Tourette syndrome. In the Tourette syndrome, the obsessive compulsive disorder are sometimes present. The anatomy and pathophysiology of the obsessive compulsive behavior is thought to include the orbital frontal cortex. The pathophysiology and anatomy, the anatomical evaluation for the obsessive compulsive disorders is thought to be present in the orbital cortex, especially the orbital frontal cortex. Orbital frontal cortex. In the orbital frontal cortex, the anatomy may be disturbed. In the orbital frontal cortex, caudate nucleus and globus pallidus may be involved. Caudate nucleus and globus pallidus. Globus pallidus, caudate nucleus, globus pallidus, orbital frontal cortex may be involved in the obsessive compulsive disorders. Because of these anatomical regions, these regions are maintain the habits. These regions normally maintain the habits and skill learning. These regions, orbital frontal cortex, caudate nucleus and globus pallidus, they are involved in the skill learning. They are involved in the skill learning and habits. In the obsessive compulsive disorder, the habit becomes disturbed and the patient becomes rechecking, washing each time, rechecking the weather, rechecking the time, hand washing to avoid contamination, file checking, counting each time. Because of the impairment of these orbital frontal cortex, globus pallidus and caudate nucleus that normally involved in the skill learning and habit in good habit, they maintain the good habit. In the obsessive compulsive disorder, there is reducing obsessive compulsive behavior, also decrease metabolic activity in the caudate. The metabolic activity in the caudate are decreased in the obsessive compulsive disorders, and the function of these orbital frontal cortex, globus pallidus, caudate nucleus, the function of these are decreased, but especially the metabolic activity of the caudate nucleus are decreasing. What is the treatment of the obsessive compulsive disorder? How will we manage the patient of obsessive compulsive disorder? Because the patient of obsessive compulsive disorder spend greater than 1 hour of time each a day is a wastage of time in counting, hand washing, rechecking. The patient is in doubt that sometime maybe that something might be mistaken. The treatment of the obsessive compulsive disorder is clomipramine, fluoxetine, clomipramine and fluoxetine. The clomipramine is tricyclic antidepressant, and they also used in the enuresis, that is bedwetting patient, and this clomipramine is also used in the obsessive compulsive disorders. Fluoxetine can also be used, and fluvoxamine can also be used. Fluvoxamine can also be used. Fluvoxamine is also beneficial in children. We can also prescribe the fluvoxamine to the children. The dosage of the clomipramine is 25 to 250 mg. Dosage of the clomipramine is 25 to 250 mg for 4 to 6 weeks. 4 to 6 weeks. The fluvoxamine is 25 to 300 mg per day. Fluvoxamine for 25 to 300 mg per day. We can also prescribe the sertraline. Sertraline, the dosage is 50 to 150 mg per day. 50 to 150 mg per day. What is the dosage of fluoxetine? The fluoxetine dosage is 5 to 60 mg per day. 5 to 60 mg per day. Fluoxetine can also be prescribed. Sertraline can also be prescribed. The sertralines are effective as clomipramine and has more side effective profile. They have benign side effective profile. This sertraline is more effective, and effect are similar that of clomipramine, but this has the more benign The less means that there is less side effect. The sertraline has less side effect as compared to the clomipramine. The benzodiazepine may be beneficial for short time. The benzodiazepine for 4 to 8 weeks may be beneficial, but it can cause the addiction, the drug abuse and dependence liability. Benzodiazepine is also effective. Many patients of the obsessive compulsive disorder, they are time consuming patient. They are repeatedly involved in rechecking, hand washing repeatedly, every time hand washing to avoid the contaminations, counting to avoid the mistakes and danger. The behavior therapy may be effective in exposure response prevention, will also result in improvement. The behavioral therapy, understanding the patient and preventing the patient from the obsessive compulsive acts. So preventing, this is most effective. We must understand the patient that there is a stage of time and we prevent the patient from the obsessive compulsive action, because this is time consuming and time wastage process. And behavioral therapy and verbal therapy, by speech therapy we understand the patient about the acts of the patient. This is most effective. This therapy is most effective, and plus we also give the clomipramine 25 to 250 mg for 4 to 6 weeks, fluoxetine 5 to 60 mg per day, and fluvoxamine can also be given for child. The fluvoxamine is 25 to 300 mg per day. Sertraline is effective as clomipramine, and this has less side effects as compared to clomipramine. Clomipramine is a tricyclic antidepressant. The sertraline effect is 50 to 150 mg. This is the dosage. Benzodiazepine can also be given for 4 to 8 weeks.